Why do we have to walk this far just to get to the resort Saul? Well, that's because it's a fancy resort, Mira. We want the best room, top floor, perfect view, and absolutely no noise. Oh, and super private, please. I know this isn't much, but please, I need the cheapest room.
I'm sorry, ma'am. We only have one left, and it's quite old.
I wonder what Rumi's room will be like. An empty room, perhaps? If she's lucky, she'll have a heater. Ha! It's not that bad. At least the room looks warm. And I'll have a place to stay for the night.
Good morning, ladies. May I interest you in a delightful dinner this evening?
We would be absolutely thrilled. Yes, thank you so much. I wish I didn't have to be alone tonight.
And here are the high-end shirt models, limited edition just for our VIP customers.
Oh, they're exquisite. I adore them.
This is the cheapest shirt in our store.
Thank you. I only need it to be warm. Rumi, no wonder you're cold. That jacket should have been retired years ago. Isn't this weather amazing for skiing? It's perfect. How about a bet on who gets the first run? Loser buys hot chocolate. You're on. Take that. Got her. Let's go. Bye. Oh. That's not fair. Why would you do that? Rumi should realize she doesn't belong here. Yes, she should leave. No. It's getting closer. We're not gonna make it. Faster! I can't move. Just ski. Don't look back. Hold on. I'm coming for you. Hold tight. Mira, Zoey, can you hear me? I have to get you back to the resort right now.
What happened? How did we get back here?
When I was half awake. Rumi, we're so sorry. You still saved us even after everything we did.
We're friends.
This is the best day ever. I love skiing with my best friends.
Me too. It's moments like this I'll remember forever.
Have you been waiting for me long?
I just arrived too.
Oh, you almost got me. Try again. Hey, get off! Stop that right now! You look hungry. Don't worry, I brought some snacks just for you. Oh no!
Today, we're going to catch an ostrich. We are from the circus.
If you follow me, you'll help me earn even more than this.
Hey there, pretty bird. Come meet your new friend.
I will protect you.
It will be ours. Venice brightest teeth.
It's definitely them. 환경부터가 치면서 dalhad.
We fertilized them one step ahead.
Run faster!
He's so cruel. Let it go.
What are you doing here?
I was just taking it for a sightseeing trip.
Make sure you scrub every corner. I want this floor spotless by the time you're done.
I will host a party to choose my wife tonight.
The president announced he will host a ball to find a bride.
Oh my goodness, yes!
Oh my gosh, this is absolutely stunning. I have to try it on right now.
Yeah, it's perfect for you.
This dress is amazing. I am definitely going to be the male lead's wife.
We must stop her from attending the party tonight.
I believe I have just the solution.
Look what you did. That vase was an irreplaceable antique.
I can't fix this. I'll never make it to the party now. I'm gonna miss everything. Where is that piece? I know I left it here. This is ridiculous. It's just gone.
Look at it. So small, yet it holds all the power.
They won't even know where to begin looking.
Oh dear. Are you all right? Perhaps I can help you fix that. You can fix it? I never imagined anything could be this beautiful.
Doing here? I thought you said she wasn't coming.
She wasn't supposed to be. How dare she show up dressed like that?
May I have the honor of this dance?
Oh no, excuse me. I have to go right now.
Wait, where are you going?
It's you. I finally found you.
You disgust me. You will never be worthy of this, do you hear me?
Are you all right? Look at me. How are you doing? You have to wake up. Please, just open your eyes. I don't know what else to do. You were out cold. How do you feel? Tell me where it hurts.
I'm okay. Just a little dizzy. Why do you have this shoe?
Because I am the girl from that day.
Are you sure it will fit?
It's perfect. Look. I can't believe it. You look amazing tonight. I'm just so glad we're finally together.
Me too.
We watched them, consumed by envy, wishing that joy could have been ours instead.